Yoga enhances focus through various physical, mental, and mindfulness aspects. Encourage students to practice these asanas regularly, focusing on mindful breathing and staying present in each pose. Consistent yoga practice can significantly contribute to building concentration, reducing stress, and enhancing memory. The combination of specific postures, asanas, breath control, pranayam, and meditation contributes to improved concentration. Here's how yoga achieves this. Mind-body connection. Yoga emphasizes the connection between the mind and body. As practitioners move through asanas, they become more attuned to bodily sensations, fostering present moment awareness and reducing mental distractions. Breath awareness, pranayam. Pranayam techniques in yoga involve conscious control of breath. Deep and intentional breathing calms the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting mental clarity, which is essential for sustained focus. Asanas for physical well-being. According to Himalayan Siddha Akshar Yoga Guru, founder, Akshar Yoga Kendra, yoga postures promote physical health, and a healthy body contributes to a focused mind. The improvement in overall well-being from regular practice positively influences cognitive functions and attention span. Enhanced blood flow. Yoga encourages circulation and blood flow throughout the body, including the brain. Improved blood flow ensures an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients, positively impacting cognitive function and focus. To enhance focus and memory, students can benefit from incorporating specific yoga asanas into their routine. Here are some effective poses and techniques. Yoga asanas to increase memory power. Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand tall with feet together, arms by your sides. This pose improves posture and enhances concentration by grounding the body. Vrikshasana, tree pose. According to Yogacharya Akhil Gauri, founder, Rautan Yoga, shift weight to one leg, place the sole of the other foot on the inner thigh or calf, and bring hands to prayer position. This helps in improving balance and focus. Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend, sit with legs extended, hinge at the hips, and reach for your toes. This asana stretches the spine, promoting blood flow to the brain for improved cognitive function. Balasana, child's pose. Kneel with buttocks on heels. Stretch arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. This relaxing pose relieves stress and encourages mental clarity. Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. Lie on your back. Lift legs overhead and support your lower back with your hands. Shoulder stand enhances blood circulation to the brain, aiding memory. Halasana, plow pose. From shoulder stand, lower your legs behind your head. Halasana stimulates the nervous system, promoting mental alertness. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably. Close one nostril. Inhale, then switch nostrils while exhaling and inhaling. This pranayam technique balances the brain hemispheres, enhancing focus. Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, a series of 12 poses. Surya Namaskar improves overall flexibility and energizes the body, promoting mental alertness. Tratka Dhyan. Tratka meditation is a yogic technique involving focused concentration on a single point, commonly a candle flame. Rooted in ancient practices, it aims to still the mind and enhance concentration. Practitioners sit in a comfortable position, gazing at the chosen point without blinking. This simple yet potent method promotes mental clarity, improves memory, and cultivates a heightened state of awareness. Beyond its psychological benefits, it is believed to cleanse and improve eyesight.